Hey guys, it's Mason with Sandy Hook Yachts, and I'm here at the D'Antonio booth, and I'm looking forward to introducing you guys to the D'Antonio D36 Open. Come aboard and check it out. I'm sitting in the aft portion of the boat, and the first thing you notice is this massive sun pad that is hiding one of the most innovative features in the boating industry today, their hidden outboard system. Plenty of ventilation, you get the inboard look with the outboard power. As we move forward on the D'Antonio D36 Open, you come to the galley of the boat. Nice dinette area, very nice stitching is what I noticed when I first come over here. Tons of seating, and you have a little bit of storage under each seat as well. You have a 2-stove burner here, as well as a sink with a pull-out chair that you flip over to create a nice bench seat. All of your friends, all of your people have a nice little lunch or dinner. Here I'm standing next to, I think, one of the coolest features that D'Antonio happens to do is they have carbon fiber inserts around a decent portion of their boat, along with their very sleek logo here. I noticed that stainless steel grab rail here is finished very nicely. And of course, their ever famous D'Antonio cleats with the D'Antonio logo on there. As I come forward to the captain's area of the boat, you notice 3 nice bucket seats here. And as I'm looking out this windshield, it's very nicely curved. I feel like I'm in a sports car. I noticed not a lot of glare from the sun because of this tinted windshield. This is an option on the boat that we happen to spec out most of ours with. And as you look up, you see a nice sunroof above you, letting in natural light. The dash is very sleek, modern. I have 2 Simrod units here, phone holder there that houses power cords, fusion stereo system, bow thruster, zip wake, which is of course a very nice option, automatic trim tabs, and your throttle box along with your joystick as well. As you guys take a 3-step ladder down into the cabin area, you notice for a 36-foot boat, it is fairly spacious. You not only have this nice, almost U-shaped couch seat, but there's also an actuator button here that lifts the seat I'm sitting on up and turns this into a nice sizable berth. Another thing I notice is the amount of natural light that's in here and ventilation. I got 2 ventilation windows here, and then some nice waterline windows here that make you feel like you're literally sleeping on the water. So here we have a wet bath behind this nicely finished bifold door. Once again, you have a shower head here, overboard discharge toilet there, and it looks to be a very nicely finished sink area. So here we're sitting in the aft lounge, if you will. And you know, once again, for a 36-foot boat, it is very hard to find something with this much space in here. The seat that I'm sitting on now actually slides on 2 rails here, and there's an insertable cushion to turn this into a full berth. Under my feet, you also have a nice refrigerator, keep a couple sodas, a couple beers, just an overall pleasant space to sit in. We're still in the aft lounge of the D36. This is actually their control panel here. So you have a couple breakers, a couple switches, and then you also have the controls for your 3.5 kilowatt generator or your classic inverter system to power the AC on this 36-foot boat. And as I step up this half-a-foot step onto the bow of the boat, I feel very safe. They have nice gunnel height here, as well as a very nice sun pad next to some cup holders and some nice Fusion speakers as well. Very nice spot to come out, get a tan, enjoy some drinks. Once again, guys, my name is Mason with Sandy Hook Yachts, and thank you for coming along on a tour of D'Antonio's D36 Open. If you want more information about this boat, come visit us at sandyhookyachts.com or give us a call. See you guys soon.